How to share files with multiple devices simultaneously using Shareit. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to share files with multiple devices simultaneously using Shareit. So Shareit allows you to share files with multiple devices simultaneously. You just need to initiate file transfer to multiple nearby devices at once. So make sure it's convenient for sharing content with friends, family, or a colleague in a group settings. Now Shareit uses Wi-Fi direct technologies to establish connection between devices, allowing for fastest and efficient file transfer between multiple devices without the need for an internet connection. Now, this feature is particularly useful for sharing photos, videos, documents, and other files with multiple recipients at the same time. Now, for that case, you have to make sure that all of the receiving devices has already installed the Shareit application, and when you do that, you can go to the send button. After that, you can locate what you wish to send it. Let me go with this one and click the send button. After that, you need to enable the permission. Shareit locates nearby devices, then you'll see a list of devices. So accordingly, you can go through it and select the devices simultaneously and share the files with multiple devices. So that's how you can share files with multiple devices. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.